Is your seat Leon MK1 or Toledo MK2 gear shift feeling a bit tired and worn out? This 5 or 6-speed manual transmission, shift knob, and gator boot cover from ZJWHDSKF might just be the refresh your interior needs. It promises a direct replacement for models between 1998 and 2006, aiming to bring a touch of modern style and improved comfort to your driving experience. The product description highlights high-quality ABS plastic and PU leather construction, suggesting it's built for durability and resistance to wear and corrosion. The idea is that this isn't just a cosmetic upgrade. It's designed to offer a better grip, preventing slippage during gear changes and contributing to a smoother, more comfortable shifting feel. Installation is presented as straightforward, essentially a twist and screw process, removing the old knob and fitting the new one. The detachable boot with its elastic band is a neat touch, simplifying both removal and installation. While the product claims to enhance the vehicle's overall value with its stylish design, the real draw here is likely the tactile improvement and the visual facelift it provides to a common touchpoint in any car. It's important to double-check compatibility with your specific gear knob before purchasing, as the listing notes. Overall, this accessory seems like a practical and aesthetically pleasing solution for Leon and Toledo owners looking to upgrade a key interior component.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.